Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. This is really just a quick end of the day update as we're heading here towards the daily candle close. When you watch the video, probably the daily candle has closed. It will probably not have changed a lot. We currently can see here that Bitcoin is in this sideways correction, in this consolidation. Ideally, for more confidence, I would have liked to see Bitcoin rally a bit higher in this fifth wave, but the fifth wave was strong enough. It reached the 38.2 Fibonacci extension of the measurement between waves 1, 3, and then to go down to the fourth to measure the target for the fifth. That is the very first target that you normally have for a fifth wave is the 38.2 Fib extension at 30.9K. What the situation is again and still is that as long as we're holding above 29,130, my focus is on higher, but in the very short term, as you can see, we got rejected in this Fibonacci retracement zone for the B wave. What could very well be, but this is pure speculation, is that we had this A wave down. I mean, the B wave could be finished. We're heading down in C. I don't see any strong movement into the C wave direction yet. So what is probably likely is that this was an A wave. This here was the A wave in B, then a B wave in B and a C wave in B, and then come down in the C wave. Because a B wave has 3 waves, so you would expect that sort of movement here. But again, this is sort of diving into the details of a corrective wave structure, which can change and morph a lot. But for now, I think we are still in this larger wave 4 and possibly within the wave 4 in this B wave. So again, as long as we stay below 30,837, I will remain of the view that we go down a bit deeper into the orange support area because we haven't reached it yet. Well, we did. That was here on Wednesday, but ideally we get back into it again for this blue wave 4. It's Saturday, no surprise. So I did tell you that we're probably going to need the weekend to complete this consolidation. I don't know if it will run into Monday. But no surprise that we see a bit of a wave 4 price action on the weekend. Generally, I have to say that even though I'm focused here on the upside and even though Bitcoin is doing what we want it to do, price action across the market, I mean, upon reviewing all the coins today and charts and Bitcoin as well, it is so choppy, right? It really needs to break higher from here. Ideally, even in this third wave, it should have pushed a bit higher. Price action is a bit poor. I have to say that, and things are starting to get very, very choppy. So it's just a bit of a warning. Nothing where it means, I want anybody to be scared or anything. But certainly, if we don't really get moving after hitting this support area or breakout directly, things will get very, very difficult. Bitcoin needs to push higher. And if this is really wave 3 price action, I mean, if it continues to be choppy, I would actually expect it to be a bit difficult on the way up, the way the price action is going. What I don't like about the price action is that we have all these 1-2 setups, and really by now it should have been moving a lot, more than it already has. So I expect it to remain difficult. I mean, I expect there to be landmines along the way everywhere here. So it's going to be difficult. Just wanted to highlight that again. Watch my previous videos for some more detail. But for now, I remain focused generally on the upside. I assume currently we are in a third wave. I'm not bearish. In fact, I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin. Just to make that very clear. But we always need to know about what could be a possible bearish scenario, and what is the relevant support for trend continuation. And that is 29,130. So I think we have to be a bit patient here for the next few days until Bitcoin can complete this consolidation and then ideally continues to push higher into the high 32K region next. That would be the next, let's say, expected target. But we're obviously entering now an area of larger Fib resistance. I did explain that in the previous video. We just need to be on our toes in this region. So ideally Bitcoin continues to push higher. Expectations are for it to be in this third wave, as I said, but what we cannot rule out is that in this larger bullish pattern we might get a deeper retracement first. We still have those support areas on the chart that could be relevant. I will update them probably over the weekend, and besides that there is not much more to update other than saying that tomorrow we've got our member live stream at 5 p.m. UTC on Sunday. if I say tomorrow, it might already be Sunday where you are. It certainly is already in the UK, to be honest. So there will be at 5 p.m. UTC. It's the member live stream again. We are actually going to cover the topic, which is very interesting, how to analyze a Elliott Wave chart from scratch. So we are taking coin, we're going to analyze it from scratch, and I'll show you the process of doing so. If you're interested in that, check out the membership. In addition to this live stream, there are plenty of recordings, all educational, or at least most of them educational, plus all sorts of additional content on Discord and Telegram. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.